Welcome to CodeWord channel. Today we're going to learn how to create our API link. This API can be fetched using JavaScript to create an application. So first of all, open browser and search for JSONbin. Click on that link. If you have an account, then click on Login button on the nav bar. If not, then click on Create Account. You can create your account using given methods. I'm going to use Google. After this, we will be redirected to current screen. Click on the bins. Then click on Create a Bin button. On the right section, we got a text editor, which takes JSON as input data. So create a JSON style data in key value pair. I'm taking ID, name, and age. Look just above on lock icon. This will make our data public or private. We need to make our data public to access from anywhere. Look carefully, we have intentionally makes a mistake in ID. In JSON, if we are writing integer value, then it shouldn't be start with 0. We will get an error while saving data. So we will remove this, then it will save without any error. Now click on copy icon to copy API link. After this, open a new tab and paste the URL. We got data. Let me format this. We got all the data we entered earlier in the JSONbin website. Look, metadata ID, created that defines the creation of data with date and time. Private false means our data is public now. Please take a close look at the bin ID here. Now, navigate to the URL where we found a similar ID. You'll also notice that this ID appears in the ID of metadata. It means out bin ID treated as API key to fetch API. As you might know, in JSON, we can insert multiple data using an array and comma between every object. Let me first create an array and entering data. After this, click on Update Bin button. Go to the API Data tab and reload page to get our updated data. Now copy URL and move to our new section API fetching using JavaScript. Look carefully and understand how to fetch API. Open web page using Live Server extension. Now click on right button of your mouse and click on Inspect. Now click on the console icon. We got our data in console. There are two data stored in array. If you wanted to fetch data under array, then must use index number and key name like I am doing.